Hi and welcome. So the purpose of this is to show you how to get started on Paste Commons. And so you will see that you have received an email similar to this one. It says user account created. And when you open it, you'll see the user account's been created for you at Paste Commons, and it has your user ID and initial password. So what we're going to do is get set up. So we're going to click on the link for Paste Commons. And when we do, you'll be taken right to a login screen, just like this one. And I'm just going to copy my user ID and the initial password, just because it wants to retype it. And I'm going to log in. You'll either have this same thing asking you to remember it or not. You keep track of it however you do. And we're just waiting for the site to respond. While it's waiting to respond, what I'll say is that Paste Commons is a social network, not unlike Facebook and other social networks, Google Plus and some others. And we're going to use it as a place to work together, learn together, study together, share things, etc., all within the context, in this case, of a course, but it could be in any context, research, social activities, etc. So here I am. My name for this account is test student, which is why I'm being referred to as test student. And the first thing, and this is what you'll see as well, except it'll say welcome whoever you are. And so what the first thing you're going to do is click on this icon, that's you, and that'll take you to your profile page. And the first thing you should do is to update your profile, and I'll show you how to do that now. So first, just like with any other social network, you can add an avatar, a picture that represents you, and that's easy enough to do. So again, we're just waiting for the site to respond. I don't quite know why it's so slow today, but it is. Okay, and so just like in other places, I've already selected a picture. You'll do the same. And there's me, and I upload that. And there's my avatar. So I'm all done. I also have some cropping availability, but I'm just going to leave it the way it is now. And now I'm going to go back to my profile, and you'll see now the profile little thumbnail up there has this. So now I'm going to edit my profile. And again, this is a chance to just get you set up. And so I'm going to change my display name to my name, but I'm going to indicate that I'm a student because that'll distinguish it from my administration account. And I'm going to say a little bit about myself. I am a teacher interested in how technologies can be used to create innovative learning environments. Now, I want to point out here that just like in other places, if you're used to blogging and doing other things, that this menu bar is what would be called a rich text editor, and so I can add some markup to this. So I can add bold, I can add italics if I want to make some emphasis. I can add a picture if I want to, and in this case, the picture would be from the web. I know this because I've already done this. And so, environments, let's just say, let's see what kind of images I get. So I kind of like this one, and even though that's not me. I'll use that picture just for this, this thing. Where am I? Sometimes it's hard to keep track of tabs. There we go. And so I'm just showing you that I can add a picture to my profile that's different than my avatar. So I've added a picture, I've added some emphasis. I could also add a link if I wanted to, and so I happen to have a website. And I just want to show you how to add a link there, because again, it's very straightforward. And this is the same type of work that you'll be doing as you post really anything. That's why I'm taking a moment here. So I highlight the words where I want the link. I paste the link, and now I'm good. And now here's the thing. I can decide whether this is available publicly, privately, that means only to me, only to my friends. So in Paste Commons, you can make friends like you can in Facebook and other places, only to people who are logged in, only registered users, or to anybody. I'm going to leave this for logged in users since it's just a test account. And then brief description of this, a little bit about me. And again, that's public. Interests, teaching, learning, online education, skills. You could update your email here. And anything else you want to put in. Here's my website, my Twitter username. Again, you don't need, you put as much as you want to. I'm just demonstrating. And then I save that, and that's now my profile. So you'll see that now I have a profile that looks like something, and that's not terrible. And so now I'm on, this is my profile page, and you'll see that there's a number of things here. There's, so like in other social networks, on Paste Commons, you'll have a chance to have your own blog, to post bookmarks. So these are shared bookmarks, as you might do in places like Diigo and other places, Evernote. There's a calendar, so you can post events. You could upload files, you can create pages. Pin boards are like Pinterest, and we'll talk about those more in a later video. And wire posts are very much like Twitter postings. So this is now my profile set up minimally. I'll show you one last thing, which is there are widgets available on the page. So I click on Add Widgets, and now these are things that I could keep track of on my home page. So I could keep track of my activity, which is all the things that I do, my blogs, my friends, my bookmarks, my event calendar, message board, because I can post to a wall the way that you would in Facebook, and my wire posts. And now you'll see that as I've done that, all those things are now displayed. There's not much to share yet because me as the test user haven't done much, but I can kind of keep track of it all on my profile page. You can also access this, I believe, from the dashboard. It should look the same. No, it doesn't. So you'll also be able to customize the dashboard page, but we'll talk about that later as well. So now what you've done, just to recap, what you've done is you have logged in successfully to Paste Commons. You have set up a profile, customized your profile page somewhat, and I think that's all for now. So go ahead and give those things a try, and we'll take it from there.